We are currently preparing our protein samples from the mammary glands of a mouse to you do a Western blot. And that's to separate the protein based on size.
The goal is to have the protein electrophoresed onto a nitrocellulose membrane to check abundance based on differentiated cells versus undifferentiated cells.
The class is applied biotechnology and animal science. Basically, we've been going through, during lecture, going through all the different what are they called? Procedures you can use in a lab like this. And in the lab, we were actually comparing mammary samples from mice, both from live mice and from cell-cultured.
I wanted to be a vet. So I came here as a pre-vet, directed in animal science, and I've kind of found my way more into the lab and biotech side of it. I'm still going to be applying to vet school, but possibly into research. So it might not be the playing with dogs and cats and fixing them. It might actually be applied research in animal science.
Yeah.
So
the only way to become comfortable doing something is to actually try it. And if you hear about something, even if you see pictures of it, you don't really know how to do something with it when it's actually in front of you and somebody's expecting you to perform. So the idea of having some experience in a setting that's not hostile, that's forgiving of errors and developing skills and things like that, it's a really important part of becoming comfortable and becoming proficient at something.
Actually, my whole high school career and everything, I wanted to be a doctor, like a human doctor, but most of the people I talked to, especially getting into Cal Poly, they said you have to do the animal science program, especially the learn by doing was their biggest reason. Like they said, you go to other schools and you won't get to do half the things that you get to do at Cal Poly. You get to work with animals right away. You get to actually go in the laboratory and do experiments, and it's definitely proved all of them right.